I mean, you could do what you got to do, but I plead guilty. I would like to plead guilty today.
Well,
Yes.
that can't happen. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir. I'm not taking your plea.
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make one. I'm not understanding this.
If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so.
This defendant walked into court acting like he was in charge of the process, and it quickly went off the rails. He starts arguing with Judge Simpson because he insists on pleading guilty on the spot, even though this court can't legally accept that type of plea. It's like watching someone try to complete the right task in the completely wrong place. His attorney looks worn out, clearly having explained this already, but he's stuck on his own version of how the system works. It's frustrating to watch someone push back this hard while missing the basic rules. Do you think he's just confused or completely out of touch with reality?
Thank you for the court's patience. I just had to relay some information.
That's what I'm known for. If
Patient.
anybody laughs, you're going. No, go ahead.
You are a very patient man, Judge.
Go ahead. Second.
So, Your Honor, today is the date and time set for probable cause conference in this matter. I do understand my client has been deemed competent to stand trial. I've had conversations with him. It tells me that he is prepared to enter a plea today. I've explained to him that that's not something that the court would be able to do at this stage. I've also explained to him that typically we would send this matter up to circuit court so that the sentencing judge will be able to properly enter his plea for him. He says that that's not something that he wishes to do. So I'm kind of at a crossroads at this point, Judge. I don't know.
So
This guy is giving his attorney a serious headache because everything he's arguing has already been explained to him multiple times. You can almost feel the judge working to stay patient while breaking down something that's actually very simple. District court can't accept a felony plea. That's it. No amount of pushing changes jurisdiction. What makes this painful to watch is that Judge Simpson is genuinely trying to help him. The judge isn't blocking a plea. He's telling him how to do it the right way. All the defendant has to do is stop talking, waive the exam, and let the case move to circuit court. Instead, he keeps fighting the process and making things harder for himself. At this point, do you think he...
Sir, if you're going to enter a plea to these cases, it would have to go to another judge to take that plea, which is the waiver that counsel's talking about. I could not accomplish that today for you.
You can't just
Usually,
plead guilty.
Mr. Gatlin, what we do is once I've made the finding that I made today, we adjourn it out to the next available day, give you a chance to talk with your attorneys about what you want to do in the process by which that will happen. Okay? You understand that, sir?
I mean, I just don't understand why I can't plead guilty, man. And get to,
Because if you pled guilty, you'd be pleading to felony charges.
You can see exactly why Judge Simpson finally hits the wall here. The defendant keeps acting like the judge is blocking him on purpose, when the truth is this court literally can't do what he's asking. It's one of those moments that shows how many people walk into court without understanding even the basics of the system. I honestly feel bad for his attorney. This should be a simple procedural step, but instead it turns into a fight because he refuses to listen. And this right here is why cases drag on so long. People don't let the process work. They fight it. He's so locked in on "I want to plead guilty today" that he can't see the judge is actually trying to protect him from a legal mess. What do you guys think so far?
Those pleas are taken before a circuit court judge, which is why it would have to be waived and you would have to go up to circuit court.
I mean, you could do what you got to do, but I plead guilty.
Well, let me do this. You've not discussed a waiver with him in detail, have you?
I mean, I have, Your Honor. I've explained to him what the waiver does and how it would send him over to circuit court with a pretrial. I've explained to him his right to the preliminary exam. I suggested that we set it for exam, but...
All right. Sir, you seem like you want to get it moving, and I don't have a problem with that. Do you want to waive so you can go up before the circuit court judge and do what you're going to do, or do you want a preliminary examination to have a hearing on the charges?
I would like to plead guilty today, Your Honor.
Well, that can't happen. If you wish to plead guilty, I can get you, you would waive so that I can get you to a place where you could do that as soon as available. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir, I'm not taking your plea. So your options are, I could set this for preliminary examination, or you can waive the preliminary examination and I will send it to circuit court where they will be more than happy to take your plea. If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so. So, sir, what is your choice?
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make it. I'm not understanding this.
All right. If there's something you're not understanding, I've got to give you time to talk to your attorney about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the fastest date I can possibly give you to come back. Once you've had that, figure out exactly what you're doing. So I'm going to find good cause to adjourn the probable cause conference in this matter. I will adjourn it to my next date is the 9th to October 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. His bond will continue. Thank you.
I'll come and see.
I needed a moment after that because the confusion was unreal. This shows how much the justice system is about understanding process, not just the charge. Cases get delayed all the time because people push for things that legally can't happen. Judge Simpson likely saved this guy by stopping the plea. That mistake could have wrecked his case. It's a reminder that lawyers aren't just for sentencing, they're for navigating the system. This felt like trying to drive through a brick wall because a map said so. What do you think of Judge Simpson's patience?